Waveboard machining. Waveboard machining is part of the UcanCAM V9 software incorporated with Waveboard CAD/CAN software, making it easy for customers to design not only with lines, curves, waves, or any other design which already exists on the market, but also new designs by editing or trimming. You can also trim out characters or graphs on waves. To demonstrate, firstly, go to Waveboard and Waves. Here, select your tool for trimming the waves. You can select straight waves or curve linear. Set your page height and other parameters which you may choose. The overlap ratio is proportional to the path space, so you only need to set one. After you've chosen your parameters, go to baseline. This will be the lowest possible line for you to create on the waveboard. After you created your baseline, go to sample line. After you are happy with your parameters and settings, click OK. Press F8 to zoom in on all of it. If you wish to trim only a bit of the whole waveboard, then go to circle or any other curve which you may wish to use. Draw the shape. Go to Waveboard, Texture Trimming. Pick a trimmed area object. Select the curve that you've drawn earlier. After which, select OK. And it will be trimmed according to this. You can start machining straight away after this. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.